Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Apache error log alerts with Slack step by step. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your Apache configuration directory. Locate your Apache error log file. This is typically found in /var/log/apache2/error.log or /var/log/httpd/error_log. Check your Slack workspace for the desired channel where you want to receive alerts. Create a new incoming webhook in Slack. Go to the Slack API page and sign in. Click on Create New App, choose a name and select your workspace. Under the Add Features and Functionality section, select Incoming Webhooks. Toggle the feature on. Scroll down and click on Add New Webhook to Workspace. Select your channel and click on Allow. Copy the generated webhook URL. Open your terminal again. Create a shell script to send alerts to Slack. Use a text editor to create a file, such as apache-error-alert.sh. In the script, start with the shebang line, #bin/bash. Add the following line to define the log file. Log file equals /var/log/apache2/error.log. Include a command to check for new errors in the log, tail end $0f log file. Add a conditional statement to detect errors. For example, use grep to find lines containing error. When an error is detected, use curl to send a message to the Slack webhook. The message should include details about the error. Save and close the script. Make the script executable by running chmod +x apache-error-alert.sh. Next, test the script by running it manually. Ensure you receive alerts in your Slack channel. To run the script continuously, set up a cron job. Open your cron tab with the command cron-tab E. Add a line to run the script at reboot, like at reboot/path/to/apache-error-alert.sh. Save and exit the cron tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.